Okay, guys, look at this curly 20-inch. Tati, what's the unit number? I think this is 159. It's a full lace curly. How does it feel? Is it nice and secure?
This is perfectly secure. The hairline is flawless.
Oh, let me get into this hairline.
The hairline is so beautiful and flawless. This feels amazing. Feels like it's coming out of my head.
Magic Hair Company.
This is so cute. It's so soft. Ooh.
So this is where the 20-inch curly will fall, in case you were wondering. This is unstyled, so we haven't cut any additional layers in it. But of course, if you want us to cut some layers or cut some things, we will gladly do that at no additional cost. This is a 20-inch curly from Magic Hair Company.
This is beautiful. This is really gorgeous.